Protecting optimal occlusion and ideal aesthetics after orthodontic treatment is a critical element for all practitioners. Relapse can occur silently yet rapidly and will have serious implications if left unchecked. The D.Mistify Relapse Prevention Kit is a superb series of devices that allows orthodontic treatment providers to continuously monitor and assess the progression of relapse, the integrity of fixed retainers, patient compliance with removable retainers, and oral hygiene. The D.Mistify Relapse Prevention Kit features the Air and Light Dispersal Unit, a highly engineered device that consists of a powerful digital light array, in combination with a twin-speed fan that generates a continuous stream of air. This ensures that when mirrors are attached to the device, the reflective surface remains highly illuminated, crystal clear, and free of fog. Used in tandem with the incredible capabilities of the new generation cameras in the latest smartphones, high-definition intraoral images are quick and easy to capture, with minimal training for all patients. Patients can easily share these high-quality images with your practice and allow you to monitor them effectively without the inconvenience of having to take time out of their busy schedules. The kit contains the Air and Light Dispersal Unit, D.Mistify Adult Occlusal Mirror, D.Mistify Child Occlusal Mirror, D.Mistify Straight Mirror, double-sided lip retractor, Divulge plaque disclosing swabs, and Munchies maintain retainer seeders. The devices are housed in a superb hygienic carrying case. A must for every patient. A must for every provider of orthodontic treatment to prescribe.